Sebrina Brown, and I was a part of the master's program analysis design of social protection systems, graduated in the year 2022 from batch 2020. And it definitely also helped to concretize my capacity within the field and my capacity to be a part of policy planning in Jamaica, because it's also such a niche area. A lot of persons don't study social protection in particular here. And so when I got my first job within social protection within the Planning Institute, it was because I was studying this niche area. And even though I was not finished with my studies at the time, the Institute thought it best to still take me on because there's not a lot of social protection graduates in Jamaica. We have graduates from public policy and international development and so on, but not that particular area. And so I think it definitely helped to legitimize my career path. So since I've gotten my degree, I've been promoted to social protection specialist, which is a lot more of a technical role. And so I will actually be writing policy papers and being a lot more heavily involved in policy discussions and helping to provide guidance to the government of Jamaica around social protection issues. 10,000% I would recommend. Just because my experience, which even though again was limited to a virtual experience, I felt like it was so rich in terms of what the program had to offer, in terms of the diversity of the practitioners and lecturers that were brought in, and the experience of being amongst persons from varying backgrounds and sharing those experiences, and also being a part of a program that I think was also very helpful in terms of continue in direct contact with persons that worked within the field of social protection. I think that was very important. And I actually ended up working with one of my colleagues then from the ILO, actually knew one of my professors. And so it kind of came full circle, just kind of being in the area of social protection. So I would definitely say for the opportunity of being exposed directly to persons who work within the field and the depth of knowledge and the diversity of the program, I would definitely recommend.